In today's video I'm going to show you how to get the best Dyson discount codes. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Dyson discount codes right here. Use this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, you can simply tap on this offer and you can tap right here to copy the promo code that you can use on your next order, so that you can get this 20% discount right here. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called retailminute.com, and right here we also have some promotions that we can use. So for example, if you want to get this 25% discount right here, all you need to do is tap on the promotion and the promo code will show up. As you can see right here, you can simply tap on the copy button right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.